Hi there! In this video I will show you how to take screenshots on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. First of all, let's open some application we want to picture, let it be settings. And now simply press two buttons together, the power button and the volume down button. Press once. And that's it. Now we have the screenshot, and you can find this screenshot in your gallery in the Albums tab, in the Screenshots album, right here. But let me show you one more cool feature of this smartphone. Here you can take a long screenshot. Let's say you wish to capture entire web page. Let it be any Google search. So just press your screenshot buttons, and you will see this double arrow in the bottom of the page, and pressing it repeatedly, you are scrolling your page and capturing each pixel all the way down, and you see this growing thumbnail in the left side of your screen. It means that your screenshot becomes longer and longer. So you can stop when you wish. And as a regular screenshot, you can find your long screenshot in your gallery in the Albums tab in the Screenshots album right here. That's it. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.